How to import MOGRT to Premiere Pro. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how we can do that. So follow some steps for that. So very firstly, what you can simply do is firstly open the Premium and create a project. After creating a project, open the Essential Graphics panel. Click the window on the top bar and select the Essential Graphics. Now after selecting the Essential Graphics panel that appears on a project, drag it to space if it is too narrow. Make sure the Browse tab is selected. Click the plus icon at the bottom for the Essential Graphics panel. Now a pop-up window will open, so select a MOGRT template you want to use and click the open option. Now the MOGRT you imported is in your selection. Create a sequence by clicking the file on the top bar and direction yourself to new sequence. So now what you can do is drag the MOGRT template you have just imported to the Essential Graphics panel to your timeline. When you click the MOGRT template in the timeline, tap the Edit tab opens on the Essential Graphics panel. Now you can simply edit it just like that. So this is how you can do that. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video and it helped you, then please do thumbs up and subscribe on our channel, and also comment to the comment section below. Thank you for watching.